Now, let's find a rectangular equation for the plane curve defined by the parametric equations. X is 5 cosine t, y is -2 sine t, and t is in between 0 and 2 pi. 0 and 2 pi are included. If for the first equation, everywhere divided by 5, that's what I did here. The second equation, y equals -2 sine theta, sine t, everywhere divided by 2, we will get two separate equations. From the first, we have x over 5 equals cosine t, because 5 are cancelled. Second one, we divide 2 on both sides, so we have a y over 2 for the second equation on the left-hand side. Right-hand side is negative sine t, because 2 are cancelled. Then we got to square everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we add cosine t squared with sine t squared, we have a 1 by Pythagorean theorem. We use this a lot in parametric equations. Left-hand side will be x squared over 5 squared for the first equation. The second one will be y squared over 2 squared. Add those two together is 1. We can see clearly the equation is the equation of ellipse. And with a value equals 5, b value equals 2. So basically a from here is 5. So we can see major axis is on the x-axis, and the minor axis is on the y. Now, algebraically, we can find out x is in between -5 and 5. You see, when t choose 0, cosine 0 is 1 times 5, so you have a maximum value. And then when t choose pi, cosine pi is -1. Then you have a -1 times 5. You have a -5 for x. So it sounds like this one is correct. You see x squared over 5 squared. You do a little bit more algebra. Okay, here everywhere divided by 100. You will get right-hand side be 1. Left-hand side, we shall have a 5 squared down below x squared. Okay, so this would be our choice, and writing in this way would be much better. Now, let's see if we put those two parameter equations with the t in between 0 and 2 pi in decimal. What do we get? Here is the parametric equation we put into the decimal. Again, replace t with a, you get a point. You see here, you get a point right here. So when t is 0 here, or a is 0, you have this point, because cosine 0 times 5 is 5. Sine 0 is 0 times -2. You have a 0. So 5, 0. Then when A or T choose different value, you can see how it goes. So it starts from 5, 0. It goes clockwise direction. Okay. So that's the direction for the ellipse. You see, if I do something a little bit different, if I choose, rather than positive, I do, rather than negative, I choose positive. You see what's going to happen. They do the same thing, huh? Okay. Starting from 0, then it goes to pi. Then it is going to be counterclockwise, starting from 0. If you put it back here, negative, that's the original one we are given. Starting from 0, it goes clockwise direction. So you learn more by playing decimals. All right? Okay, see you next time.